Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how to activate mobile banking for TSB mobile bank app. So right now, as you can see, we have the application on our home page, so we simply need to click on that to launch our application. And once our application is launched, you can see we have two options in here. The first one says open a TSB account. If you do not know how to open a TSB account, you need to watch one of our previous videos where I teach step-by-step process on how to open your TSB bank account and the TSB current bank account. So if you do not have watched that video, I highly recommend watching that video and then come to this one. So you can see we have two options to open a TSB account that was already discussed, and below we have login and register, which we are going to be simply using. Simply click on login and register, and then you will be directed towards your registration process section. So we can see you can simply this is all you need to register for online banking on any device: the details of your TSB account, your personal details so we can find you on our system, your phone so we can verify it's really you, to create a user ID, password and memorable information. Simply click on login, and now you can see it is asking you for this confirmation. Click on continue. Now you need to simply enter your user ID that was provided to you by the bank during the sign up process. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.